Eilik DQ robots are made from a soft, squishy material that is safe for children. They can teach children about coding, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Eilik DQ robots can respond to touch and human emotions. They are equipped with sensors that allow them to detect and respond to human emotions. Eilik DQ robots come with educational apps and games that can help children learn about a variety of subjects, including math, science, and language. Eilik DQ robots are available in 5 different colors: pink, blue, yellow, green, and purple. This allows users to choose a robot that matches their personality. Eilik DQ robots can be programmed using a simple coding language. This makes them a great tool for teaching kids about coding and computer science. Eilik DQ robot can play games. They come with a shooting game where you need to defeat Antmeow, a creature that changes its form and attacks the player. The game gets faster and more difficult as players progress.